Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Intelligence is not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Apple Intelligence is not showing in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app. Go to General, go to Software Update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, it might be that your issue will be fixed if there's some time you have any pending software update. So you might have, or you might get these type errors. So after updating software, your issue might have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, simply quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app. And here go to general. Go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone settings. It will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your iPhone settings, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you have a single way. You just have to go back from here and open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select More option, and here just look for Apple Intelligence or Series where I have Apple Intelligence. I'm gonna select this one here, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap and get more help, then tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a feel better from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.